Where should we start? Welcome to my ultimate guide on 5 Bissell products that will help you clean and maintain a healthy living space. I'm going to go through them one by one in no particular order. I'm not ranking them because they're all very different machines and they all serve a different purpose. I'll show you what they're each capable of, and then it would be up to you to decide which ones might benefit you and your unique situation. First up is the Bissell Crosswave Pet Pro. This is a combination between a vacuum and a mop, so you can do dry and wet messes. You can do dirt, dust, hair, debris, plus you can pick up spills and liquid messes. How it works is you dispense the cleaning solution in water onto this brush roller and that scrubs the floor. Then it's got the vacuum component that picks everything up and it's all collected in this dirty water reservoir. I've personally got a large dog and it does a great job picking up the hair on the floor, rugs, around the corners, and even the edges. It works on a variety of floors like hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl, and area rugs. It has a self-cleaning function that allows you to clean it easily, so it's great for usability and functionality. I personally use this cleaner at least once a week, and then every 2 weeks I clean my entire floors, which takes about an hour and a half. So it definitely saves me a lot of time and energy not having to vacuum first and then go back over with the mop. Another benefit is the floor cleaner from Bissell. This is their multi-surface floor cleaner. It smells and works amazing, so I really do love this floor cleaner by Bissell. Highly recommend the Bissell Crosswave Pet Pro for anybody who is struggling to keep up with their floors. Great machine, I use it a ton. Next up is a fan favorite. This is the Bissell Little Green Machine. This is a portable spot cleaner. This is designed for those small messes, those mystery spots that just pop up. You're not looking to do an entire room or your whole house carpet with this. These are just little spills and little accidents. So if you're like me, if you've got pets, kids, or you're just inherently clumsy, this is a must-have on hand to quickly clean up those messes. So you can do carpet, area rugs, couches, chairs, upholstery, even car seats. I've got tons of videos on how to use this machine. It's very popular. It's super easy to use. You fill it up with water and cleaning solution. You spray that onto your spot or your stain that you're working with the nozzle there. You scrub that stain, you extract that liquid. It all gets collected here in the dirty water reservoir. You then discard that. You wrap everything up, you put it away. It's super easy to get out, set up, clean your mess, and put away. All of that takes just minutes to get a mess cleaned up with the Bissell Little Green Machine. Again, I've got tons of videos on how to use that if you want to go check those out to learn more about it. Definitely a must-have for anybody who lives somewhere with carpet, upholstery, couches, chairs, has kids, or is like me, you're pretty clumsy. Next up is the Bissell Steamshot. This is a handheld steamer. I think it's a must-have for anybody who wants to maintain a clean space. Very easy to use. Take off the cap, fill it up with water, plug it in. You've got an indicator light here that lets you know it's ready. You push and pull down the trigger on the handle there, and it steams away and allows you to really clean. So one thing about this steam cleaner that I really like is that it allows you to get into those harder to reach kind of corners, crevices, tight spots that I can't reach with just a sponge, whether I'm using a magic eraser or a towel. I just sometimes can't reach in those little crevices. Think around your toilet or around the sink and the drain, especially the grout in a bathroom. Really allows you to do a deep clean that you can't get through other or more traditional ways of cleaning. It comes with a ton of different attachments. This one here is my favorite and the one I use the most. We bought this house about a year ago and I really put this to work cleaning the grout. When we first moved in, I wanted to make sure everything was nice and clean. It has an attachment here that you can do your windows with. It's got 3 different brushes here which you can clean and just keep track of where you're cleaning. So tons of different attachments here. And then you also have an attachment that allows you to steam clean the wrinkles out of your clothes. So very versatile. Tons of different applications. I will actually be putting together a video of some of the more unique things that you can clean with a steam cleaner, so be sure to subscribe or just check back in at a future date to see and really understand what you can do with a steamer. Highly recommend this one. Works great, easy to use, very portable, and very affordable, the Bissell Steamshot. We're getting serious now. This is the Bissell Turbo Clean Dual Pro Pet. It's an upright carpet cleaner and a portable carpet cleaner mixed into one, so you get the best of both worlds. So you've got your traditional carpet cleaner, clean water reservoir, dirty water reservoir, brush roller, the intake where it sucks up all the water. So this is great if you've got multiple carpeted rooms, but then you also have this functionality where you can attach this accessory here. So now you've got something similar to that Bissell little green machine, that portable carpet cleaner right here. So it's got the same cleaning tool here. It's got the spray nozzle. So now you can do your upholstery, you can do stairs, you can do your car seats, all of that built in one machine here. So if you've got multiple rooms of carpet, but you also want to tackle some of those other odd jobs, this would be a great machine for that. Again, a full tutorial on this, I'll put that in the link in the description. Finally is the pet stain eraser. I think this is perfect for people who are dealing with messes almost every day. So maybe you've got a toddler or an older animal that has some accidents from time to time. Similar to the other machines, it's got a clean water reservoir. You fill up with your water and solution. This one does have an agitator brush. Nice thing is it's battery powered, so it is ready to go when you are. No cumbersome setup. When you extract the water, it's got the dirty water reservoir here. So this one's really simple and quick. I think, again, designed for people dealing with messes almost regularly. When you're seeing messes almost in real time and you just want to get them quickly. Also a must-have if you've got a smaller space, maybe a small home or an apartment, or even on the go. Something I think perfect for an RV. Really do like this machine. The Bissell, again, this is the Pet Stain Eraser Power Brush. So there you have it, 5 powerful cleaners from Bissell to help you maintain a clean and happy living space. I do have complete tutorials on all of these products, so you can find more information. I'll be sure to link those in the description of this video. Again, my name is Drew. If you like DIY around the house, please feel free to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.